Good evening and welcome to the Financial Week. I'm Javon Keys. Mayberry Investments has extended its bond offer. Now, the company announced that the facility, which was to close today, will now run until January 20. Mayberry says the decision to extend the offer was due to excess demand. Mayberry also says its board agreed to exercise the option to upsize the invitation. This means they will now seek to raise $7 billion versus the $5 billion initially planned. In late December, Mayberry announced it closed the fourth tranche of the bond as it was oversubscribed, exceeding the 1.25 billion Jamaican dollars that section set to raise. Now, the remaining tranches offer a rate of interest of 9.25, 10 and 11% per annum over 13, 18 and 24 months respectively. VM Wealth Management says it's increasing support for the local orange economy. The company's Deputy Chief Executive Officer Brian Fraser says through various partnerships, practitioners in the cultural and entertainment industries will have access to financial management and training.
We believe that the orange economy has a lot of potential to contribute to Jamaica's economy, as we have seen it in the USA, and we are seeing an explosion in Latin America. So, for example, other partnership that we have engaged in the creative space is actually Kingston Beta, which is a community of young technology leaders and founders that we sponsored.
Meanwhile, Senior Manager for Bond Equity and Digital Asset Trading, Denise Marshall-Miller, says VM's partnership with the Orange Economy is geared at improving wealth management practices in the sector. She says the creative industry remains a significant driver of economic growth, both locally and internationally. To some economy news now, real value added for the hotels and restaurants industry has improved. Statin says GDP for the industry grew by 35.3% for the third quarter of last year. The improvement was driven by increased activities in hotels and other short-stay accommodation and restaurants, bars and canteens. The performance of hotel and other short-stay accommodation was positively influenced by a 49.2% increase in foreign national arrivals. Statin says 597,227 foreign nationals visited the island for the first three quarters of 2022. That's compared to 400,184 in 2021. And to the foreign currency market now, the US dollar is being sold for an average $153.20. $113.05 is the going rate for the Canadian dollar. $184.30 for the pound, while it's costing an average $164.20 for the euro. The JSE Index gained 2,769 points today, while the Junior Market Index lost 20 points. Among the winners were Epley 7.25% preference shares, Ironrock Insurance, Cygnus Real Estate US dollar shares, Proven Group and Sagicor Select Funds, Manufacturing and Distribution. While on the losing side were Paramount Trading Jamaica, General Accident Insurance Company, Diamond Trading, MFS, Capital Partners, and Cygnus Real Estate Financial Jamaican dollar shares. And we do apologize for the absence of those graphics. And there they are, losers for today: Paramount, General Accident, Diamond Trading, MFS, Capital Partners, Cygnus Real Estate Financial. And that's it for the Financial Week. I'm Javon Keys. Good evening.